most fundamental tenet of democracy, as the will of the people is the basis for the authority of the government. And here in Pakistan, it was heartening to see people turn out in number to vote in February. As UK Foreign Secretary Lord David Cameron said in his statement, this was despite serious concerns about the fairness and lack of inclusivity of the elections. Not all parties were formally permitted to contest the elections, and legal processes were used to prevent some political leaders from participation and to prevent the use of recognisable party symbols. Restrictions were imposed, as we know, on internet access on polling day, and social media continues to be disrupted. There were significant delays in the reporting of results and claims of irregularities in the counting process. And challenges like this can undermine democracy. But therefore, this conference is more important than ever, because this conference this weekend, for example, has got a range of sessions on improving accessibility in polls, including for the most marginalised groups, such as the transgender persons and the Ahmadi community.